Hi, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I created this space for those of us who find ourselves in the in between, those sacred pauses in life where you're no longer who you were and not yet who you're becoming. Whether you're transitioning out of a long career, stepping back from leadership, navigating wellness challenges, or simply asking what's next, this is a space for you. It's a space to realign, reflect, and rise. I'm Pamela J. Thomas, author, restorative wellness educator, and the heart behind this Substack. My work is about helping visionary women, especially women of color, reclaim their rhythm, reconnect with purpose, and lead from a soul-aligned place. Here, you'll find articles that speak to the wisdom of your body and spirit, podcast episodes that center soulful conversations, letters and reflections that invite you to slow down, breathe, and listen within. And most importantly, a growing community that honors rest, resilience, and renewal. This is more than a newsletter, it's a movement, a gathering space, a sanctuary for your next chapter. So take what you need, breathe deeply, and if you feel called, I want to invite you to subscribe, share, and stay a while. Together, let's embrace the pause, honor the in-between, and rise, rooted and radiant. Welcome.